So, 'pag nag-message sila sa Facebook page ni Drive Manila, we usually share a catalog. We have a catalog there where they can choose from. And then from there, they'll share with us, okay, for example, gusto nila ng van for their family. So, sabihin nila, I need this on December 15 hanggang end of December. Mga January 2 ko na yun isosole. So, we'll try to find out kung saan sila which terminal ng airport kung gusto nila sa airport ipa-deliver, and then kung saan din nila i-re-return yung sasakyan, pwede rin sa airport na rin nila i-return. And then from there, we check the availability of a vehicle, and kung available naman yung sasakyan, then we book it. So dun na rin, sa customer service will support them with their booking, and they can pay either cash or credit card, pwede din.